Hi, I want to talk today about masonry repairs. A lot of folks think that masonry, be it brick, stone, that type of construction, which we typically will find on chimneys, is permanent. The fact of the matter is it's not. The biggest enemy that masonry has is water. Now, water works on a chimney a couple different ways. One, it can wash out mortar joints, but probably the biggest issue we see with chimneys is caused by freeze-thaw. We don't think about a brick being absorbent like a sponge. The reality is a brick is very absorbent. If you look at a brick under a microscope or a really close magnification, you'll see it's full of tiny little pores. Those pores will soak up a lot of water. Now what happens is when that brick soaks up the water, or the mortar joints soak up water, that water is in that brick. Now, when you have a freezing day, which in a lot of areas of the country happens on a daily basis. I'm from the Midwest. Our winters, we'll have 3 or 4 months where it's down below freezing, maybe 15 degrees to 32 every night. Then we get into 40s during the day. So what happens is that water that's in the brick, every night it freezes. Now what happens to the water when it freezes? It expands. So as that water expands, what it's going to do is start breaking apart that mortar and the bricks. You may have been on your roof and seen little pieces of brick laying on the roof. That's what we call spalling. What's happened is that water is frozen, broken those bricks apart. Now that condition will accelerate over time because once those brick faces are gone, they absorb even more water. So that accelerates and accelerates over time. One thing you might want to think about that not a lot of people think about it this way is a chimney is a hole in your roof. Believe it or not, the flue gases have to get out, whether it be smoke from your boiler, your furnace, whatever the case may be. Those gases have to get out. Consequently, there's an open hole in your roof to the outside. Moisture entering down your flue is a problem. That water is going to run down and it's going to not only mix with the flue gases, which are acidic in nature, and start eating up your chimney from the inside. If you've got water coming from the outside, you basically have your chimney being attacked inside and outside both. So a chimney cap will keep that water from coming down your chimney. Some other issues, some exterior issues on a chimney. The chimney crown or the wash, that's basically a roof for your chimney. If that's cracked, broken, deteriorated in some way, you have water running down on the inside of your chimney and inside the brickwork and inside the mortar and start breaking it apart. The repair might be a new crown, preferably one with some overhang, something like that. Another possible repair would be just a chimney cap that's an outside mount. What we call an outside mount actually covers the top of the chimney and keeps moisture from getting in. Maybe the mortar's going bad. If that problem is not addressed in a timely fashion by tuck pointing, taking out the old mortar, putting in some new mortar, what can happen is that chimney may have to be rebuilt from the roof line up. Waterproofing is very important. Whatever waterproofing product your professional uses, it should be a breathable one where the moisture can get out but water can't get in. Similar to the Gore-Tex clothing you're probably familiar with. Chimney flashings are another area that often needs repair. So it's very important that you keep up with your masonry repairs. Chimneys are not permanent structures. They do need repair from time to time.